Scafflogic introduces you to a world of logic. Hello and welcome to today's Scafflogic training video. Our topic today is how to join already built sections. In this presentation, I will be using Layher SpeedyScaf scaffold. If you are using a different scaffold brand, you may notice that I have different measurements and components available for use. As you can see, I have already created a building, and I have several standalone sections built alongside of it. This is really not the best way to go about erecting scaffolds before grouping them, but in this case we will illustrate how you can actually assemble them together under these circumstances. The only catch is that they will still act as though they are independent. Doing it this way could be a good idea if you needed to have frames, netting, and plastic on different sections. So let's give it a go. We will now attempt to group them together. To group these sections together, we will need to keep the Alt key down, and you can see I get a small hand as I move the mouse over. As I left-click, you can see that the system instantly shows me how to group these two sections. When I release the left key, I get a green line, which tells me that the two are now joined. Let's try it with the next section and see how they interact. I follow the same steps, and again with another section, dragging it into place. Notice that we have already grouped several sections together quite easily. When you group sections together like this, you need to keep in mind that the anchor points will not be changed, and that could give you complications later. As I move this section, notice that we will need to do something about this gap here. And now I will adjust the final section into place. Remember that if I am not holding the Alt key down, I will not be able to join the two sections. Let's put in a fitted bay just to finish it off so we have a nice, neat scaffold. I will go into the Content menu and choose Section, Add Fitted Bay, and I will left-click to set the starting point where I want the fitted bay to end. If we go into 3D view, we can see that we actually managed to save all the separate sections into one big scaffold. Let's go to the Elevation menu and click on one of the sections. And here you can see our main problem, that we can only see one scaffold at a time. If you ever have a case like this, I strongly advise you to use a cross-view section, which is a function that allows you to display all the sections in one view.